Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial for LiveScore. In this video, we will walk through the installation process for LiveScore. To use LiveScore, we will need Ableton Live already installed on the computer with a license that supports Max for live devices. Having Ableton Live Suite, we are good to go. We can check that by going to Live and About Live. Here we see that we have a licensed version of Ableton Live Suite. For more information, see the description below. Now we are going to install MaxScore and LiveScore. First, quit Live and Max if they are currently open. Now go to computermusicnotation.com and get the newest MaxScore installation package. Go to Downloads and choose the operating system. In this example, we are going to install MaxScore and LiveScore on a Mac with Apple Silicon chip. After the download finishes, open the installation disk image and run the installer. Click Open and enter the admin password if prompted. Now we will see the setup wizard. Click on Next and accept the terms. Choose the location of the Max folder here. The default is usually good. For the installation mode, choose the full option so we will get LiveScore on Ableton Live as well. Click on Next and locate the Live user library. The default is usually good to go. Click on Next and wait for it to install everything. For a Mac with Apple Silicon chip, we will see this pop-up window. Choose Yes or any other option that suits you the best. This will check and install, if necessary, the Java SDK required for running MaxScore and LiveScore. Congratulations! We now have LiveScore installed on our computer. To check if everything is running correctly, start Ableton Live. In the Places list, go to User Library. Here we will see the folder LiveScore. Open it and we will see all the installed Max for Live devices. To check if the installation is correct, drag livescore.java test into one of the MIDI tracks. Click on Check Java. If you see this, it is running correctly. You can proceed with checking the MaxScore installation. Have fun with LiveScore. You can try all the other devices now. If you find this useful, please click on the like button. Or if you have questions or issues to report, please comment down below. See you in our other tutorials.